Hello everyone. This screencast is going to go over some of the key features of the accessibility block that you have available to you in Moodle. So this is what your main Moodle page should look like, or something similar, and all your courses here. So I'm going to go to a brand new course so everyone can kind of see at the same point where you would be starting what to do. So the accessibility block is not on your page by default when you start a brand new course. So it's very easy to add though. You would just go to this Turn Editing On, and then at the bottom all the way on the right you'll see this Add a Block feature here, and you'll click Add, and Accessibility is the very first option that you get. Give it a second, and now at the bottom you'll see your accessibility block here. So the block has a couple of features that might be used frequently. So for instance, the text increase feature for people that have a visual impairment can increase the text size to their liking and then decrease and bring it back to the default text size. Also, you can change the background color here. So you have this color, this one, and then a night vision view of sorts, and then to return to the default is the R. There are some more features embedded in the AT bar. So to launch that bar, you would click here, and at the top you'll now see a bar. There are a number of options in here, some of which can be very helpful to students, some of which probably may not so much. I'm just going to run through them real quick. So the heart here is if somebody wants to report a problem with accessibility, they could click this. I am not sure to how effective it is at the current moment. You have your text font sizes here, and to change the font is the T button here. You have an option for a spell checker. I do believe that most of the places where students type for long periods of time, for instance the forums, have a text editor embedded in it currently where you would have a spell check. But if there are parts of the course that do not, you can use the spell check option through the AT bar. The dictionary, you can click on this and a little box will open and you can enter a word and have it defined for you. The text-to-speech option might be important for some students, so let me demonstrate that. That's the reason I had said it was nearly new is I went in and posted one thing in a forum. So it says, welcome to the course. This post is to demonstrate the text-to-speech accessibility. So if I launch the bar and I highlight the text that I want to be read to me, and then click, I can then choose a male or female voice. Let's go with the female. And I hope this works.
Welcome to the course. This post is to demonstrate the text-to-speech accessibility feature in Moodle.
How about that? All right. So students, if they wanted to have text read to them, simply highlight that and then click that button and choose male or female. Readability. This is to kind of remove a lot of the distractions of the page. If people use a tablet and click the reader view, it sort of brings them to like the Kindle looking option of viewing a web page. This is similar in that regard. It's not going to look good on this page because this page has multiple columns, but this is sort of the, it's a very soft background, very easy to read, easy on the eyes. To click back to go back here. And then a couple more options here. Word prediction is going to be your autocorrect tool. These two tools, again, to play with the colors. So if you wanted to, for instance, change the overlay, some different colors here. I don't really like them, but I'll go back to normal. This is to actually remove the icons to make it a little less distracting at the top here. So you still have the bar, but the icons are gone. Some people may prefer that, and then to bring them back. If you forget anything that I've talked about today, you can click on this question mark here, and it will bring you to a wiki. The first page isn't very helpful. You have to go to Guides over here, click Guides, and then you see a bar here with all of the descriptions of what each of the buttons does. And to go back, we have, this is to bring everything back to normal. If you had messed around with the page at all, And then the last button here is the X to actually close out the toolbar. So hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, send me an email. Thanks.